Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sachin Jadhav. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect printer to laptop with USB cable. Click on the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notifications. As you can see, my printer backside, and this side you can see my laptop USB port. You can see Canon LBP 2900 printer codes. I am going to plug in into this printer like this. I am going to plug in into this. You can see USB cables. This is type B USB cable. This is type A USB cable. Type B USB cable generally plugged in into this printer like this, and type A USB cable generally plugged in into laptop port like this. After that, I just switch on this button like this. You just open the glass like this, and you just open like this, just pull like this. Put paper properly like this. You can see I am on the laptop screen. If you have not installed this driver in your laptop or PC, you just click on Chrome. In address bar, you can type Canon LBP 2900 driver and just click on enter. You can see by right click on this, you can see Canon LBP 2900 driver. By clicking on download, driver will be downloaded. You can see I'm going to click on print. You can see printer name. Select the printer name. I'm going to select this one, Canon LBP 2900. I just click on OK. See, you can see printer has started working. You can see printing page coming out like this. You can see. Thanks for watching.